What is going on, guys? Welcome to part one of the EVO build. We're going to do a bit of a drive-by engine rebuild on this. So as you can tell, we're right amongst it at the minute. So this is the start of day 2, but we'll work that one out as we go. Let's get into it. Right then, so this is what we're looking at. Where to start? ARP bolts, L19s and 2000s for the heads and main. Got some HGS cams, H-beam rods, some Wiseco pistons, some new valve springs and retainers, a couple of oil filters, obviously for our services and what have you, new head gasket, new set of valve piston rings, some ACL bearings, thrust washers, and then we've got some 3mm lifters as well. And then under there, a whole host of oil and other bits of shit. So, nothing to it but to do it. Let's get into it. Whew. Right then, plan of action. I'm going to leave this lump in there. So we're doing a driveway rod job with some added bits. I think start pulling it apart, get the head off.
And some off.
Perfect.